2% commission share para po sa buyer at ako po ang seller mo ng Masaito Homes, Comelec Village po, San Sebastian, Kawit, Cavite. Si Audrey Basic po na townhouse ay complete turnover po ito. Lot area of 55 square meters, floor area of 45 square meters, 10,000 to reserve, bank financing meron tayo. Pag may tanong ka po, ilagay ko yung cellphone number ko sa baba, i-clarify mo ano yung promo. Bali, sharing commission siya. Kung baga may benta ako, may bahay ka, may commission ka din po. For our townhouse, Audrey Basic, 10,000 to reserve under bank financing. Total contract price of 3,374,800. Down payment ng 14 months, 23,392. Monthly amortization sa pag-ibig, 20 years po, 23,549. Income requirement, 78,494. Again, kung hinahanap mo malapit papuntang Cavitex, Comelec Village po, Masaito Homes, Kawit, Cavite, 10,000 to reserve only. Commission sharing, basta meron ka pong 2% commission share, meron din naman akong 2% commission share. So, may naghahabol ako ng benta. Kaka-promote ko lang po kasi.